Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage calls and messages with screen time on Mac. So if you use FaceTime, messages or phone app on your Mac, communication limit gives you a control that who can contact you without disabling those app completely. You can choose one communication rule for normal screen time and decide whether downtime should follow the same rule or become even more restrictive by allowing only specific contact. This makes it easier to reduce distraction while still staying connected with the people who matters. So if you'd like to manage your calls and messaging using screen time, here's what you need to do. First, you have to click on the Apple logo at the top left corner and then choose system setting. Now go to screen time and then communication limits. Now under during screen time, choose the communication rule that best fits for your needs. You can allow everyone contacts only and contacts and group with at least one contact. And now go to during downtime section, and here if you want same communication rule to continue during downtime also, simply select the first option which automatically matches your screen time setting. As you can see here, whatever option I have selected in during screen time section, that automatically matches the first option in during downtime. And if you want stricter communication during downtime, choose the specific contacts option and then click on select contacts and add the people who should still able to reach you, and that's it. Finally click on done and your calls and messages will now follow the communication rule you have configured and helping you reduce the interruptions while still allowing communication based on your selected screen time and downtime settings. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.